Hello my friends, today we gonna school corpse bride have boyfriend, how husband, I don't know, but if you watch the cartoon you know what I'm talking about. So let's start it and be happy when you do whatever. And don't forget to subscribe me. So as you can see, I'm using these bowl tools. So, and just watch and enjoy.
One thing they will promise, they're building you a throne. If only you had seen, they won't leave the truth alone. And now you can see the world, but you're blinded by the light, leading you from reason and straight into the night. Now don't believe him, he's a liar and a sugar coater. Just wait until break of dawn. Say what you have to say, but don't forget to leave the motor on. He'll turn around, but you will be gone. You're drinking dirty water from the dirty well. Don't believe the glitter, he's got plenty of things to sell. Now one thing to remember, and you will be alright. They promise you the world, but they leave you in the night. Now don't believe him, he's a liar and a sugar coater. Just wait until break of dawn. Say what you have to say, but don't forget to leave the motor on. He'll turn around, but you will be gone. Turn around, but you will be gone. Oh, you will. You will be. Oh, you will be gone.
We're all gone one day. That's why this life is our beautiful moment. What we have, it's now. So let's listen other music. Yeah, this cartoon I like it because it shows how much it's love it's mean, because that bride which always wanted to marry, in the end she realized he is not belong to her. But I don't know, is Emily did right? This is her will be wife, Emily. But if you didn't watch this cartoon, I would recommend you because it's such amazing. It's such a beautiful. It's music, all this animation. It's amazing. I really did enjoy it. I like watching cartoons. I don't know why. Yeah, well, now we making his hair, and after all this finish the hair, I will bake their head. Yeah, my creation, I need to bake it, and after baking I will paint. I will use Genesis paint or acrylic paint, it doesn't matter. It's what paint you have, you can use it. And if you didn't understand something, just leave a comment under my video, I will reply to you. Keep watching. Such a good music. Beautiful piano bar. But I'm singing. I love singing, especially when I sculpt. Oh wow, I just enjoy music. La, la, la. Yes, I'm using acrylic. This is after bake, yeah guys, this is head now. I baked it, and here I showing how I sculpt on my TikTok. Emily, yay, Emily, oh, are you married to me? Meow, meow, meow. Oh guys, I just don't know it. My camera didn't record how to begin the paint, but as you see, all the around the eyes, just do the brown, you know. So after that, it's all done, and if you put it inserted on the back of your creation magnet, you can do. Be creative. Have a lovely day.